Traders, looking at the US30 at the moment on a 4-hour time frame. Now what we do have with this is a bullish trend. However, we have a lower high here. Well, we could pull it through here at the moment. I want to see this complete and just see where this is going to go, but I think we're going to see this trade back down through this level here, something like that. There's a couple of reasons why. One, the lower high setup here, this displacement bearish, and we have a equal highs, this range, liquidity taken out above. So I'm wondering whether this is actually gearing up. They've hit stops above here. This is a big resistance level. And I'm thinking that come the end of the week, I mean, it's pushed up into the end of the week. I'm thinking that we see it retrace. We've got an imbalance, this green candle here. There's nothing left and right of it through here. So 4-hour imbalance definitely would be a target through here. And if we look a bit closer, we can see this green candle here, bullish imbalance, same thing. So my question is, does this look to reach down into these levels, looking to rebalance? Okay, so we've got this balance area down in here. That could be possibly a play. So, I mean, you could look for a short counter trend, high risk Friday. I won't be getting involved with this, but if you want to take the risk, then a short position, you could go in, well, like, where do you want to get involved with this? You could wait for a break and retest of the low here and get involved up there. So let's just go down, say, to a 30-minute and look at this markup. Something like that could be feasible, right? So we look for a short. The retest and fail of the low here, stop above the high, go down here for, it's not a great setup. It's counter trend. It's high risk. I'd give it a 60% chance that this plays out. But we do have these imbalances that the market could, that this could look to trade down through. All right, so that's an idea. Again, I give it a 60%. I mean, you could, if you wanted to, go for this balance area down in here, target. That'll give you a, let's go for a 2R. And look, if this trades in your favor and we do gain some ground, then obviously pull your stop loss down to better than break even so that it's risk-free as soon as possible. It's counter trend, guys. I'm not a keen counter trend trader, but that is an idea that could be worth consideration. So anyway, let's say US30 counter trend short. And with that, I'd love to hear your comments, and safe trading as always. We'll see you in the next video.